okay, we've not looked at this together. There's many things we haven't looked at together, but this is one of them, vectors. Vectors is nice and straightforward, but this actual full page is a new style of question. I quite like it because it's kind of the thing I've been practicing with you anyway, is where you identify mistakes, and that's what we like. So evaluating somebody's method is checking whether it's working or not, so that's really good. And this one, checking if this is working. So let's have a look. M is usually a midpoint, but it's not in this one. M is a point on such that BM and MC is in the ratio of 1 to 2. So this part is a third, and this part is 2/3 of that line. Okay. Here is Charles' method to find B to M. So here's B to M right there. Look. Okay. So B to M would be a third of BC. Okay. To get to B to C, you're going to go B to A and A to C. So we've got B to A and A to C. So we're going down there, minus B, that's all good. And plus A, that's all good. So he knows that this full journey here is A minus B. And I agree with him. They've just moved it around. He now thinks, though, incorrectly, like I said, M's usually the midpoint. He thinks this is half the journey. It's not. B to M is actually a third of the journey. So evaluate it. It's wrong, obviously, okay, because he's used the wrong fraction there. I just want to make sure I say it absolutely correctly. So so Charlie is wrong. It should be a third BC. Okay, nice and straightforward. Ah, you didn't see that. Good. You didn't see me mess this up then. Right, the next bit. Same as with checking methods. We're checking if they're right. Like I said, I think the examiners understand if you can check something to be right or wrong, then you truly get it. And I quite like that question. So, as it's only 1 mark, there must be an obvious mistake. Okay, and we have to prove that mistake. So, it's very difficult to quickly gather whether this bit's right or wrong. But if you can't see the mistake after what I'm about to show you, you need to expand these triple brackets and then show it's wrong, and you'll still get that 1 mark. But it's going to be a lot of time for a mark. But if it's going wrong, that's what you should do. So, let's check the front and let's check the back, because they're made when you multiply the fronts and the backs. Okay, and if one of them's wrong, it'll be easy to say. So, 2x times 2x times 3x will make this one. That's a lot. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 4x squared times 3x is 12x cubed. So that actually is working out. That's all right. So hopefully there's something wrong with this plus 6, because then we found it and we'd have to expand this big triple bracket. So 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Well, there's your mistake. Look, it's actually plus 6. So there you go. Explain what's wrong. It should be minus 6, not plus 6. Okay, so if that doesn't work, if that hadn't have happened for me, I'd have had to expand the triple bracket and then compare my answers with that one. But because it's only 1 mark, it was probably an obvious mistake, and it was that they missed the sign, they didn't use the signs correctly.